Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Measure Automation channel. Today we will discuss about how we can achieve the data-driven testing using a Cucumber feature file in the TestNG approach. So far we have discussed about a login test scenario with a simple reporting and the configuration. So in case if you are new to this session, do watch my earlier session so that you will be in sync with me, and do subscribe in case if you are new to my channel. And here, to achieve the data-driven testing via feature files using examples, we have to do some small modification. So this test we have did in the last session using a small example of login functionality. So we will now use the scenario outline to do a data-driven approach. So this is the existing login test feature. So I will slightly modify so that we can achieve this. So here we have scenario, and in the scenario you can make it to outline. Then you have to provide examples and end with colon. So this example provides you an option to enter multiple data sets. So here in the line number 5, I am entering a username and password via using username and password. I just hard coded in the test file. So I'm passing via send keys directly over there. So to change that approach, I will do a simple correction here. So I will take this username and put inside angle brace, and I provide username, and similar to that password, and I provide this. So this is under string, right? Now this username becomes my header table header. So I will use the pipe symbol and to separate out with again pipe symbol and end with pipe symbol, so that this will act like a table, and I will provide username and password. Okay, I will go to next line, and next line also I will do the same thing, and I will copy username from here and password, again pipe symbol, and right. I will quickly save and do a pretty format. Right, so my entire scenario outline is ready now. What I will do is I will quickly right click, run as feature file. Let's see whether it will run or not. So it is giving me some error. Okay, so this scenario outline is saying as check login functionality. There is a missing implementation, which is we have did a parameterization for the username and password in the line number 5, right? So that step is missing. So it is asking me to correct that. So what I will do is I will take this first two lines from this console and go to the login test, and I will quickly change these lines. Now this parameter, so it is a string parameter, and I'm passing that via string. So what I will do is I will modify this as username and this as password, right? And in the send keys I'm giving a hard coded value. I will remove that from there, and I will do enter the username as an input for the username, and password I will remove from this location, and I will provide like this. So now it is not hard coded, so values which are coming is from the arguments, and these arguments are being supplied from my step definition. So this is a string and string. So these are the two strings which are supplying a username password to me. I will quickly save, and I will come back to feature login feature. Now we can see username and password is there. So this name will be taken and passed to the username, and password will be passed to the password, and it will go back to the step definition, and it will enter in the console or a login page. I will save, I mean run as again Cucumber feature. Now you can see it is started running. Right, it has entered the username and password, and it is saying that one scenario was passed and steps was entered 5, which has also passed. And there is an error. Okay, we'll see that later. Okay, let me go and check the runner file. So in the runner file, I have removed the relative path and I kept a step def directly. And I will try to run using a testng format just to see that it is working. It started opening application, username, password entered, and it says everything is passed, right? So it is showing us passed and no errors here, right? So now I have given only one approach or one set of data. I wanted to give multi-set data. So if I provide a multi-set data, what will happen? So I provided four times. Four times I given the same username password. And what happens is now this feature file will execute four times. Even though I am not saying it to run in the parallel, but I have given data set in a four different columns. So it will treat every column as one execution. So same test will executed four times, right? So again, I will go to this runner .java and run as testng test. Okay, first time it is closed, second time, okay, third time also it has open, it will close the browser, fourth time. So in this way you could achieve the cases like black box testing techniques like boundary value analysis, equivalent class partition testing, where you can provide multi data set for a same functionality so that all your data sets will be executed and passed. So now you can see the scenario outline is showing checking a login functionality, successful login, and even the testng report which says passed for four times and executed test suite test run. Default test was one, and default test suite it has test ran for four time, passes four time, there is no failures. And if I go to this project and open target folder and I will open this reports in a web browser. Now you can see there is 100% passed, 4 executed 1 minute ago, 24-second duration, Windows 11, Java, and Cucumber JVM. And if I expand this section of login feature, you can see the feature, our scenario outline, and then given when then, and an example shows username password four times. In your case, you can tweak it and you can do like this, and you can see a variation in the report which will show a X symbol here, which is a failed case, like that it will show. So this is the way that you can do a data driven approach in Cucumber TestNG using a feature file examples. Hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. In case if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you for watching.